My name is Monkey. I'm taking a crap because it is lots of Cheerios. Where's my Cheerios? Oh, where's my Cheerios? Oh, my Cheerios. Where's Donkey? I need my Cheerios. Donkey. Where's my Cheerios? Donkey. Donkey. I need it. You idiot. So, he's here. Okay. I'm getting my stuff. Oh, they're right. Oh, come on, Cheerios. Oh, these. Oh, there's my phone. I need my phone. Hello, it's Monkey. Monkey. Oh, Monkey. See, I'm talking to my friend Roger. He was a nice man. Entonces, okay. Gotta get the toilet paper real quick. No, sure. Gotta wipe my face pretty bad. Gotta get him down there. Did you fall in it? Yeah. Don't show me no princess. I'm back. Okay, I gotta write my home. Alright, now we're gonna the toilet. Toilet. Look at my poop. Look at my poop. So gross. Oh, that's so gross poop. Oh, wait, oh, it's nasty and yellow, man. I'm so tired of myself. Dude, I clogged out that toilet so bad. It was nasty. My brother just got killed, I heard. I heard that somebody flushed him down. I think it might have been me. I said, no, brother, down the toilet! I'm gonna hang myself because I did. I hang myself so I die. Ever and ever. 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 Well, here goes.